Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the TikTok coins mod on your device. This will allow you to get unlimited TikTok coins completely for free. And as you guys can see, look at that. I think you get like a ton. I mean, it's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this one out for yourself. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It's really cool. And if you're somebody that wants to donate to your favorite TikTok creator, this is the way to do it. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get right into the tutorial. So if you're using an iPhone, guys, go over to settings and there's a few options will change. First, go to general and make sure you get your background app refresh on. This allows apps to refresh content in the background, so make sure it's on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So once you've done that, guys, you're good to go. So all we got to do now is go to battery and make sure low power mode's off. You know it's on because your battery percentage will be yellow. So just make sure low power mode's off. And once you've done that, guys, just go to App Store and make sure you got your automatic downloads on. So once you've done that, you're pretty much all set. So all we got to do now is go to the browser, and I'm going to show you guys the site where we need to go. So once you're on the website, guys, just go to the search bar and type coins mod. The site has a bunch of mods for apps and games. It's super cool. They got like Dragon Ball Legends, Xbox Booter, Roblox, free Robux, a Cash App hack. So there's a lot of cool stuff on here that Apple probably wouldn't allow in the App Store because it's a bunch of mods and hacks. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type it in. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So let me just type it in. So once it pops up, it's going to say TikTok coins added. And you just want to go ahead and press on it. So let me just type it in right here. So coins mod, so press on it and then you just want to press download now and it's going to start to download onto your device. Now obviously guys, the big thing is wait until the bar reaches the end and it should download. Do not leave the browser or it is not going to work. So I'm just going to wait for it to load here. As you guys can see, let's just give it a second. Alright, it says processing. So just let it load here. As you guys can see, starting injection. Super awesome. So anyways, once you're done, guys, your TikTok coin mod should download onto your device. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. Get the word out with this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. I mean, this is super cool. So remember, just go to the balance like you would in normal TikTok. Obviously, you have to be logged into your account. And then go to the coin balance section, and there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If it works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. This is super awesome, and I just can't even believe it actually works because most of the mods don't, but this one's real, guys. It's actually working. So yeah, it's awesome stuff. Try it out right now. I mean, this is super cool. I mean, if you guys don't try it, you're going to miss out. See you later and peace out.